Over time, your tools and accessories may become blunt, resulting in reduced performance. In this video, we'll be using the Sealey Electric Multipurpose Sharpener, which can sharpen a wide range of tools, including 3 to 13mm diameter high-speed steel drill bits, straight-edge knives, scissors, and regrind chisels and plane blades up to 50mm wide. For safety, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. Place the steel drill sharpener attachment onto the sanding end of the unit. Remove the clamp from the attachment. Insert your drill bit into the clamp and secure tightly. Slide the clamp into place under the V-guide. Move the drill forward so that it lays in the V-guide and touches the metal end stop. Turn the bit until the V-guide fully drops over it. Once in position, tighten the clamping ring to secure the drill bit. Transfer the clamp holder into the sharpening position on the right. Turn on the machine. Rotate the clamp holder from side to side to begin sharpening the end of the bit. Turn the clamp over and repeat the action to sharpen the other side of the bit. Turn off the machine. The bit should now be sharpened. Place the knife and scissor sharpener attachment onto the sanding end of the unit. Turn on the machine. Hold the knife handle towards you and insert the blade into the guide slots. Draw it with a light and steady pressure across the wheel, making sure not to press too hard. Turn the knife over and transfer it to the other guide. Repeat the action to sharpen the other side of the knife. Once finished, turn off the machine. Open the scissors fully. Turn the machine on. Insert the blade into the guide at the front and draw it lightly across the wheel, making sure you do not press too hard. Remove and turn the scissors over, keeping the pivot to the right-hand side, and begin sharpening the other blade. Once sharpened, switch off the machine. Place the chisel and plane attachment onto the sanding end of the unit. The sharpening angle must match the existing beveled angle on the blade tip. To adjust the angle, loosen the knob and adjust the angle of the plate, then tighten it. Place the blade against the back lip of the plate, making sure the bevel side is pointed downwards. Ensure the blade edge touches the grinding wheel. Switch the power on. Slide the blade and plate back and forth with a light pressure, making sure not to press too hard. Once sufficiently sharpened, turn the machine off. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.